have s equals to ut plus 1 over 2 at squared. This is a second equation of Newton, and we are to make u and t the subject of formula from here. So to make s the subject of formula, u, sorry, first of all, we'll take this to this place, or so that we'll have it as s minus 1 all over 2 at squared equals to ut. So by implication, we divide both sides by this. So if we are dividing both sides by this one, then we'll have this to be ut, let me bring it here, equals to, therefore, s, when I take this to be 2 minus at squared all over 2. So to make t, u, the subject of formula here, we divide both sides by t, so that we'll have this to be u equals to s 2s minus at squared all over 2t. So you can either leave this one like this, or you can simplify it further by having this to be the same thing as this, and this will give us, when you cancel, so let me write it, 2s over 2t minus at squared over 2t. So by implication, u will give us, this will take out this, we are left with s over t, minus t will cancel t here, you are left with at all over 2 as your final answer for making u the subject of formula. Now, for us to make t the subject of formula is a different thing entirely. So let me write this question here. We have s equals to ut plus 1 all over 2 at squared. So what will happen is that for us to make t the subject of formula here, we will multiply all through by 2. So if you multiply all through by 2, you have 2s equals to 2ut plus at squared, meaning you multiply here by 2, you have this, multiply here by 2, you have this, multiply here by 2, so 2 will cancel 2, you are left with at squared. So now we will treat this equation like a quadratic function by rewriting it to have at squared plus 2ut minus 2s all equals to 0 in the form of ax squared plus bx plus c equals to 0, the general form of quadratic equation. So by implication, our a is equals to a, our b is equals to 2u, remember 2u, then and then c is a constant which will give us the same thing as minus 2s. So by using the quadratic formula, remember we want to make t the subject of formula, so t will be equals to minus b positive negative square root of b square minus 4ac all over 2a. We use quadratic equation in order to be able to provide solution for this. So here we proceed by substitution. So t would be equals to, our b is 2u, so it is minus 2u positive negative square root of 2u. When you square 2u, it will give us 4u square. Then this one will be minus 4. Our a is still what? Is still 1. Sorry. In this case, our a is a. Yeah, our a is a, and then our c is minus 2s all over 2a. So t now will be equals to minus 2u. I like this question, is fun. So minus 2u positive negative, then this will give us root 4u square, minus minus is plus, so this will be 8. This is 8, 2 times 4, 8 as all over 2a. Yeah, all over 2a. So now if you check here, there's something that is common here. 4 is common inside, so we'll factor it out, so that we have t equals to, we have minus 2u positive negative, then we have a square root of, when you factor out 4 here, you have square root of 4 bracket u square, then plus 2a, yes, 2as in bracket, all over 2a. So still here, when you check this very well, we'll have this to be the same thing as t equals to, when you take the square root of 4, it will be 2 outside, so we'll factor it. We have 2 open bracket minus u positive negative root u square plus 2as, close the bracket, all over 2a, so that you see these two will cancel these two. By implication, when we make t the subject of formula from this question, it will be minus u positive negative the square root of u square plus 2as all over a as our final answer. So when we make the a the subject of formula, t the subject of formula, this is what we will arrive at. Remember, I want you to see the question clearly. This is what was asked, yeah, and we solved it, and this is what we got. Yeah, thank you. See you in the next class.